Did you know that your body has a built-in healing system that can clean out damaged cells, protect against disease, and even help you live longer? In today's video, we're diving into the daily habits recommended by Japan's most legendary doctors, the same habits that help countless seniors live past 100 with energy, clarity, and joy. We'll reveal foods, fasting tricks, and secret lifestyle tips backed by Nobel Prize-winning science. So stick around to learn how you can activate this powerful process inside your body, starting today. Let's start with a life-changing discovery by Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, the Japanese scientist who won the Nobel Prize for uncovering autophagy, your body's natural way of cleansing itself on a cellular level. Autophagy, literally means self-eating. But don't worry, it's a good thing. It's like a microscopic housekeeper that removes old, damaged cell parts and makes room for stronger, younger cells. Dr. Ohsumi's research found that autophagy becomes supercharged when we fast or go through mild physical stress, helping with cellular repair, immune defense, maintaining a healthy weight, lowering the risk of cancer and Alzheimer's. He famously said, "Without autophagy, our cells cannot survive." So, how do we turn on this cellular miracle? One of the best ways to boost autophagy is intermittent fasting, a habit deeply rooted in traditional Japanese life. Many older Japanese adults naturally fast for 12 to 16 hours between dinner and breakfast. This gives their bodies time to shift from digestion to deep repair. Dr. Takayuki Teruya, a top Japanese fasting researcher, discovered that even short fasting periods can 1. Activate energy-producing metabolic pathways. 2. Increase antioxidants to fight aging. 3. Support cellular repair. Even more exciting, fasting isn't about starving. It's about timing your meals. Try this. Eat dinner by 6 or 7 p.m. Have your next meal around 9 to 11 a.m. the next day. That's a 14 to 16-hour fast, without skipping meals. Next tip, eat until you're 80% full. This principle, called harahachibu, comes from Okinawa, a region famous for having one of the highest numbers of centenarians in the world. Instead of stuffing themselves, Okinawans listen to their bodies and stop eating before they feel full. This helps prevent weight gain, reduce inflammation, and gives the digestive system a rest, boosting autophagy in the process. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, who lived to 105 and treated patients well into his 100s, lived by this rule. He kept his meals light, avoided sugar, and stayed curious and active every single day. He once said, "If you want to stay healthy, don't retire. Keep your mind and body busy. What you eat matters just as much as when you eat." Dr. Yumi Ishihara, personal doctor to Japanese prime ministers, recommends a light morning routine. 1. A glass of fresh carrot or apple juice. 2. A warm cup of black tea with black sugar and ginger. 3. One solid, plant-based meal in the afternoon or evening. These drinks give your body a gentle wake-up without overwhelming your digestion. Carrot juice is great for detoxing the liver and improving eyesight. Apple juice provides pectin and antioxidants to fuel recovery. Ginger tea aids digestion and fights inflammation. Dr. Hiromi Shinya, a Japanese-American gut health expert, also emphasized eating enzyme-rich foods like 1. Fresh vegetables. 2. Fermented soy like miso and natto. 3. Seaweed. 4. Fruits like persimmons and apples. And avoiding red meat and processed foods. He introduced the idea of the Shinya Little Fast, a 16-hour fasting period between an early dinner and a late breakfast. This gentle habit helps your gut rest and encourages healing overnight. All 5 experts agree on a few golden rules. 1. Stay active, walk, stretch, take the stairs. 2. Drink water first thing in the morning. 3. Limit sugar, white flour, and processed foods. 4. Practice ikigai, your reason for waking up every morning. And don't forget green tea, rich in catechins that mildly support autophagy and heart health. To sum up, here are 3 simple habits to help your body stay strong and youthful. 1. Intermittent fasting. Start with a 12 to 16-hour break between dinner and breakfast. 2. Harahachibu. Eat mindfully and stop at 80% full. 3. Autophagy-boosting foods, carrot juice, miso, seaweed, green tea, and more. These time-tested practices help millions of Japanese seniors live past 90 and 100, many without chronic diseases or mobility issues. You don't need expensive supplements or drastic diets. Just return to simplicity, balance, and nature. Your body already knows what to do. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. Don't forget to subscribe for more senior-friendly health wisdom backed by science and tradition. Stay healthy, stay curious, and live well